Ooh, is this lighting cute? I'm gonna hope that it is. But like, hi friends. So yeah, it is currently nighttime right now. It is like probably like 10 p.m. I just made the courageous decision to like fix my wall. So I don't know, like I always like just want to change up my room at night. So I think we're gonna do this part of the wall. I've been meaning to do it, but like why not take some stuff down now and then we'll see what happens. So I guess this is like a redecorating my wall with me. I've done this before, but I wanted to do it again. So I hope that you guys will enjoy it. I hope the lighting is okay, but yeah, but we're just gonna try it out and we'll just see what happens. This may be into separate parts, but we shall see. But yeah. Yeah, so this is the part that I plan on fixing right now. Like as you can see, I took down a lot of the Polaroids already. So yeah, I feel like I need to take the rest of them down. And then I plan on taking down this Unwoo poster. Not totally sure where I'm gonna put it, or if I might just take it off entirely. I'm not sure. But I also want to keep this G.Nine poster because he looks so good. So I will keep that, but I don't know, maybe move it around. But yeah, I will be moving around these Polaroids, taking them down, and then these, I'm not sure yet either. We will figure that out together. But yeah, this is the part of the wall that I do want to get done. But like for most part, everything else is pretty good. But yeah, I just want to fix this part of the wall, so. Alright, so I took down the Polaroids. As you can see, they're right there. I will figure out where to put them next, but yeah, it is empty, and then I still have to take out the Unwoo poster. So yeah, but yeah, we'll just see what happens. Alright friends, so it is another day. I don't know what day of like redecorating my room this is, but I just came back home from Walmart and I ended up getting a few like frames, but I got a 12 by 16 and a 16 by 20, so I'm gonna try to like put stuff on the wall because I want to make it more like mature like on my wall. I don't know, like I'm trying to go for that aesthetic, I guess. Is that a thing? But yeah, I bought some but anyways, I bought some frames and I think I want to put some like Polaroids in it or some prints. I'm not totally sure yet, but I guess you'll just follow me on that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and see what works. Girl, as I'm filming this, it is so hot right now. Like the sweat is disgusting. Yeah, I do have the 16 by 20 frame that I got from Walmart, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to put some like Polaroids that I've been collecting. I used to have my Polaroids on this side of the wall, but then I was like, I needed to change it up. So yeah, I have a bunch of Polaroids that I took with my friends, and then I also have a bunch in here, which is in this really cute like BT21 bag. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be laying them out through here using like washi tape, and then we'll see how it goes. But I think I want to post it right behind me where like these posters are. I'm not totally sure. 이해하고 싶어 뒤늦기고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 나는 내면의 건지 패딩 입은 애 같아 아무 패딩이랑 똑같지 넌 그럼 어차피 난 열심히 개바빠 우린 충분히 바빠 근데 가끔 구름 이별에 있는 사람들의 노래는 If you can hear the fan in the background, I apologize, but it is really hot right now. I finished the Polaroid frame thing, and I think I'm gonna put it on that wall. It's kind of dark, but you can see where Unwoo is. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take him down. I love him, but yeah, I think I want to put this up, so yeah. Also, if any of my friends are watching this and you see yourself on the Polaroid wall, please say hi. I love you so much. But yeah, I really liked how it turned out, so cute right now, but like this is what it looks like on the wall. I took down the BTS Map with the Soul 7 things from the album. I don't know, I might put them back up. Yeah, they are right there, and I think it looks really cute. Like I said, I don't know what else to put around it, so we'll just see, but yeah, that is that. It looks really cute on there. I really like it. All right, my friends, so as you can see, I did put the Polaroid wall thing, but now I want to add something else, and I actually got this from my friend Mia, the Soju Softies on Instagram. Please follow them. I love them so much. But for my birthday, she ended up painting me this thing, microcosmos inspired. It's so cute. It's of the whale and then of the clouds, and it is just beautiful. So yeah, I do want to hang this up because it's so pretty, and then on the back it says happy birthday Rainer. So Mia, if you're watching this, I love you so much. This is so pretty. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up somewhere. Like I was thinking of hanging it up right there where this little artwork is at. This is from I forgot their name. I will link it somewhere here in the video. I am so sorry, but yeah, this is such an amazing artwork. But I was thinking of putting this there, but I think it would look better right there. So we'll just see what happens. But yeah, I really want to post this up, so yeah. That's not bad. All right, the lighting, oh my god, I look anyways, so I want to change this part of the wall now. Like I do have these little prints that I made of G.Nine and G.Nine, so I want to go ahead and add a few more because I think it would look cute. I do have some of these like BTS postcards that I printed out myself, and then I do have these little ATEEZ like fan art prints that my friend Zoe, if you're watching this, I love you so much, but she gave these to me for my birthday. They're of Songhwa and Wooyoung, and they look so good. Like I don't know if y'all could see that, but beautiful. I am in love with it. I'll probably leave the link to the shop down below because they have amazing prints as well. But yeah, she sent me these and I'm like obsessed. So yeah, I think I might hang these up. I do have these like little clips, so we'll just see what happens. But I also have a few more here. I have Hyunjin and then Soap, Suga, and Hosok. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna like format it, but I do still want to put some prints up there. So alright, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I like the more like less photos on there. I feel like it looks fine. I feel like I wanted to add in more, but then I'm like, you know what, if we're gonna be going for that little minimalist, like less type of photos type of stuff, I think I should just do it like this. So I think it turned out really good. I ended up changing it. Yeah, I was not really satisfied with how it looked last night, so I went ahead and changed it up. I just added this little like border wall thing from Daiso, and then I added like a few Polaroids and then the Hyunjin photo, and then I also had this DIY that I made a while back, but I really liked how it turned out and I still wanted to display it somehow, so I put it there. And then obviously I still have the painting by Mia, and then I decided to keep the G.Nine one. So pretty much the only pictures that I kept up were the G.Nine one and Hyunjin, and then everything else is different. But yeah, we love changing stuff at the last minute. But yeah. Alright my friends, so it is a new day, but basically I want to add more stuff to the wall. Yeah, I got these like floral things and I've been hanging them around in my room and I thought they looked cute, so I was like, why not put some here too? So yeah, but I do have these little vines from like Amazon, and if you're gonna be buying these, just know that they smell like fish. Disgusting. But when you put it up, I guess you don't smell it, but like when you first take it out of the bag, it is disgusting. So yeah, fair warning if you guys do end up getting this. I'll probably link it down below. I guess you could say it's like cottage-core. Is that a thing? Yeah, I've been seeing that. Anyways, yeah, I'll be putting this up maybe where the Polaroids are. I'm not totally sure, but yeah, we'll see. Also, I've been listening to ATEEZ Not Shy since it came out earlier today, and I'm like not okay because it's such a good song. So yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed. So stream it. Alright, so yeah, I added the little vine things. I had one more, but I don't know if I'm gonna put the other one up. But I mean, I like how it looks. I was thinking of putting it all the way up there where like the top of like the fairy lights were, but then I was like, I'm not totally sure about that. So yeah, I decided to just put it around the Polaroid wall thing, and I think it turned out cute. I think it looks good. So I think we'll just leave it like that. I don't know if I was gonna cut it, but you know what? I like it. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, on second thought, maybe I should add it. I don't know. You see, this is me like thinking like I don't know if I want to put it on the wall or something. Like, does it go anywhere else in this wall? Like, let me know. Does it, maybe I should put it there where Seokjin is, but like, is that doing too much? I feel like I do too much. Yeah, as you can see, this is what happens behind the scenes. Like, I get so conflicted on like what I should do. So love that for me, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put this up, so. All right, so I thought about it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the 12x16 frame as well and put it right next to the ATEEZ poster. So yeah, as you can see, I put it there just so I could see how it would look like it's not bad. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put something there, but I don't know what yet. Just so that it has something there, because I feel like it was a little empty on this side. So I think we need to give it something. So yeah. Okay, so I think for this, I think I want to put some postcards from the ATEEZ album. Yeah, this is actually a new little like cabinet that I got from Target. Oh my god, we love. It's cute. All right, so I apologize for the buzzing noises that you guys can hear throughout those clips. I am just so sorry because my mic just was not working properly. I'm still trying to figure out like how to use my mic, but clearly it made those buzzing noises. So I need to find a way to fix that. But yeah, I do apologize for that. So yeah. If you want me to do like an updated like a room tour video just so you guys can see what this looks like, please do let me know. But also I think I might rearrange some of the stuff on here, so if you guys would like to see like a reorganizing my K-pop shelves, please do let me know. But yeah, anyways, I do have my 3 ATEEZ albums here, and they do come with like postcards, so I'm like thinking maybe I should put some of the postcards in here. But yeah, if y'all don't know who my ATEEZ biases are, you know, I have a top 3, but then I also have records, so love that for me. But my mains are Sun, Mingi, and Songhwa, and then Wooyoung has become a record for me, so I'm like, I don't know what to do. So we're just gonna figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna use some of the postcards from their recent album because they look so good. So yeah, I don't know which album it was that I really like the photos, so I'm gonna go ahead and see. But this one looks good of Songhwa. I don't know if y'all can see that, but he do be looking good though. So maybe this one. Oh my god, Wooyoung do be looking good in this one. Excuse me, sir. But you see, this is why this is a problem. Okay, it can only fit 2 of these. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I might just have to narrow it down to my top 2. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use these 2 pictures because they look so good. So that'll be that. All right, so I got my washi tape. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on the backs of these postcards. I think that should be good, yeah. But all right, not bad. We'll see. All right, ladies, and there she is. There she is. Yeah, looking good. I really like these photos. Yeah, like I said, I was wishing it was gonna be a white background, but I flipped it and it was not the color I was looking for. So we'll just have to deal with it, but I do like it. So yeah, and also because I had an ATEEZ poster right there, I think why not go ahead and add something else ATEEZ because I do love them. But yeah, this is what it looks like from far. I think it looks good. So I think we're good. Yeah, I think. But beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes. Alright, so I guess I did end up adding the green leaves. I think it looks cute. I just ended up cutting it a little bit because I didn't want it to be too long. But yeah, I just wrapped it at the top of it like I did with the Polaroid one. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. So yeah, it looks really good. We really out here with the leaves, but you know what? I love it. And yeah, I hope to like probably put more in my room. Oh, and it low-key matches the poster. Like, as you can see, there's like greenery. I didn't realize that. So I guess it kind of blends in, I guess. But yeah, it's cute. All right, last thing to tackle, I guess, on this wall would have to be this grid. Like, it's cute. Like, I really like what everything is on here, but I think I need to change it up. I don't know. So we'll figure that out. But yeah, I do want to change this. So yeah. Alright, my friends, so the time has come where I've finished the wall and I honestly think it looks cute. I'm like, I don't know, I guess you could say it's like somewhat cottage-core, but I think it's just because of the leaves. But I mean, for most part, I'm actually really happy with how it turned out, so I guess this is the reveal. I guess we're just gonna show it. I'm low-key sweaty, so I just need to not show my face anymore, but yeah, let's show it. Alright, so yeah, this is the room in its entirety. Well, the wall in its entirety. But yeah, I did put the green leaves, like I said, you know, I guess, like I said, it could be cottagecore. I'm not totally sure. But yeah, and then this is what the grid ended up looking like. I decided to not add too many photos, and I added like a few little stickers. Like, look at Yunpan, so cute. And then I decided to add my little Seokjin postcard. But yeah, I decided to just change it up with the colors to make it more muted, I guess you could say. That's what I was trying to go for. Then I also added more of the leaves because I'm obsessed. I'm sorry that I did not end up doing a before shot. I am so stupid. I'd suck at that. But yeah, this is what the after looks like, and I'm honestly really happy with the results. And yeah, this is so pretty. So yeah.
I'm sorry that I never called. I swear, I swear, I swear. 하루 왼종일 너 생각만 하. 물론 시간이 많이 지났지. 나는 아직도 벗어나지 못해. 물어보고 싶었어. 근데 넌 어때? I'm exhausted.
But yeah, that is the end of the redecorating my wall. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, like if you guys would like me to see me redecorate the rest of my room, because y'all haven't seen the other side, but it is messy. So if you guys would like to see me redecorate that part, please do let me know. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I'm really obsessed with like everything that's going on right now. So yeah, I really liked how it turned out. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Make sure to follow me on my social media, guys. Follow me on TikTok. I hope it does not get banned within the next few weeks, but we will find out. But in the meantime, follow me on there and also Instagram, you know. But yeah, that is all, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, bye friends.